Hello there, I'm Bailey and this is Art by Bailey. This is part 3 of a 3-part series on how I made the decor in this grouping. This video is about making geometric shapes with toilet paper tubes. Here is what I did to make them. Today I'm going to be taking toilet paper tubes and making some art with it. My toilet paper tubes were all 4 inches long, so I decided to mark every ½ inch. Once my marks were made, I folded the tube along the marked edge and cut along the marks. I continued this process for 10 tubes. Next, I heat up my hot glue gun. Then I start with a 6-leaf flower. I add a small bead of hot glue between the folded sides in the center of the flower. I then make 2 more 6-leaf flowers, but only use 5 tube slices, adding one of the original flower's leaves into it. I then link the nearest leaf tips to each other. I keep adding until each petal in the original middle flower has its own complete flower. For my next piece, I made 1 complete flower. This may also help show the idea of the pattern. I then counted my last tube slices and figured I could make a 3-flower interlocking piece as well. Thank you for joining me in my craft room for this simple upcycled craft. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And check out part 1 and 2 if you missed them. Thank you for watching. God bless.